Amazon is flooded with dual monitor arms, making big claims, and a lot of these brandless China source models are straight up scams. So if you're lost in endless listings and confusing specs, then don't worry, I've got you covered. After spending hours digging through details, watching countless reviews, and trying out a few myself, I found the 5 best dual monitor arms. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the dual monitor arms in the description below. So first up, the budget champion, the Huano dual monitor stand 13 to 32 inches. First up, we have the best budget option, the Huano dual monitor stand. I found that it's super popular among gamers and home office workers looking for an affordable way to upgrade their setup without sacrificing too much on quality. Now, this monitor arm supports dual monitors from 13 to 32 inches, making it ideal for gaming setups, home offices and professional workstations. Each monitor must weigh between 4.4 and 19.8 pounds and support VESA 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm mounting patterns for proper compatibility. Now, what really makes this stand out for budget-conscious users is the upgraded dual C-clamp base with a larger contact platform that firmly locks the mount in place. I've used similar setups before, and being able to trust that your monitors won't wobble or shift during intense gaming sessions is a game changer. Plus, it also includes a grommet mounting option, giving you 2 stable installation methods for added versatility. The construction feels solid too. Heavy-duty steel construction delivers excellent stability and long-term durability, even with larger monitors. The full motion adjustability allows plus 85 degrees to minus 50 degrees, tilt or plus or minus 90 degree swivel, and 360 degree rotation for portrait or landscape viewing. Height adjustment of up to 16.2 inches helps align screens to eye level for improved ergonomics. The ergonomic design helps reduce neck, shoulder and back strain, supporting healthier posture during long sessions. Lifting monitors off the desk frees valuable workspace, of course, for keyboards, laptops and accessories. Plus, the integrated cable management keeps wires neatly routed along the arms for a clean, professional appearance. But what if you're running ultra-wide monitors that need extra support and premium materials? Well, that brings me to our next pick. The ultra-wide powerhouse Ergear dual monitor desk mount 13 to 40 inches. The powerhouse for ultra-wides, Ergear dual monitor desk mount. Now, if you're someone who loves ultra-wide displays but wants something more robust than budget options, then Ergear is going to be your best friend. Supporting dual flat or curved monitors from 13 to 40 inches, including popular sizes like 24, 27, 32, 34, 35 and ultra-wide 40-inch screens. This mount can handle serious setups. Now, each arm safely holds monitors up to 26.4 pounds in weight, making it suitable for large and heavy displays. And what I really appreciated about this design is how it's constructed from premium aviation grade aluminum. Now, this delivers exceptional strength, durability and a high-end feel that you just don't get with cheaper alternatives. The engineering behind this mount is impressive. It's over 3 times stronger than standard monitor arms and cycle tested over 20,000 times to guarantee long-lasting performance without sagging or loosening. Each arm extends up to 25.6 inches forward, making it ideal for deep desks and flexible positioning. The height adjustable design allows the VESA plate to reach up to 21 inches above the desktop for optimal ergonomics. It offers full motion adjustment with plus 85 degrees to minus 30 degrees tilt, 180 degree swivel and 360 degree rotation for portrait or landscape mode. The smooth, precise movement lets you find the perfect viewing angle for work, gaming or content creation. It supports both C-clamp or grommet mounting, both compatible with desk thickness from 0.39 inches to 3.54 inches. The built-in cable management system routes wires neatly through the arms for a clean, clutter-free desk. And there's even an integrated USB charging point for convenient device charging. Speaking of ergonomic comfort though, let me show you an option that takes adjustability to the next level. The ergonomic champion, the Acer dual monitor arm 17 to 32 inch. Now, here's where things get interesting for users who prioritize comfort and smooth adjustments. The Acer dual monitor arm supports dual monitors from 17 to 32 inches, with each arm supporting screens weighing approximately 4.4 to 19.8 pounds. And what makes this such a great ergonomic pick isn't just the VESA 75 by 75mm and 100 to 100mm compatibility, but the gas spring system that allows smooth, effortless height and position adjustments. I've seen users struggle with stiff, hard to adjust arms, but this one glides into position with minimal effort. The gas spring system offers full motion flexibility with plus 90 degrees to minus 60 degrees tilt, plus or minus 90 degree swivel, and 360 degree rotation, for portrait or landscape mode. The height adjustable design raises monitors up to around 18 inches, helping achieve proper eye level viewing without strain. The extended arm reach allows flexible screen spacing and customized workstation layouts. It includes both C-clamp and grommet mounting options for versatile installation, compatible with a wide range of desk thicknesses for secure mounting. Built with durable aluminum and steel materials, it's tested for long-lasting performance, ensuring consistent movement without sagging over time. The integrated cable management keeps cords neatly routed for a clean, organized workspace, while elevating monitors off the desk frees up valuable desk space. But, what if you need something that can handle the heaviest monitors on the market? That's where our next pick dominates. The heavy-duty beast, Ars Wing dual monitor mount 17 to 32 inches. For those of you who have massive monitors or multiple heavy displays, the Ars Wing is engineered specifically with serious setups in mind, supporting dual monitors from 17 up to 32 inches. Each arm can hold monitors up to 44 pounds. Now that's double what most standard arms can handle. That 44-pound capacity per arm is a game changer when you're dealing with large gaming monitors or professional displays. The industrial-grade gas spring system provides smooth and effortless height and angle adjustments, even with heavier loads that would make other arms struggle. It offers flexible motion with tilt of minus 50 degrees to plus 20 degrees, plus or minus 90 degree swivel, and 360 degree rotation for portrait or landscape orientation. Height adjustment up to 27.9 inches allows ergonomic positioning at eye level, and while arm extension up to 22.4 inches supports a variety of monitor placements and desk layouts. The built-in cable management keeps cords organized and out of sight for a tidy workspace. And what really sets this apart though is the integrated USB ports, both USB-C and USB-A, providing convenient charging for devices right at desk level. The quick-release VESA plates make monitor installation and removal faster and easier, which is crucial when you're dealing with heavier displays. It includes dual mounting options with C-clamp and grommet mounts to fit most desk thicknesses. Users consistently praise the robust build quality and stability, even with larger or heavier monitors. The USB ports built into the base receive positive feedback as a practical and convenient feature that eliminates the need for separate charging hubs. Very handy. Sometimes though, you want the perfect balance of all these features, which brings me to our final and best overall pick. The perfect all-rounder, the Huanio Nitro Glide. Dual monitors stand 13 to 40 inches. After researching all these options and trying a few myself, the Huanio Nitro Glide takes the crown as my best overall pick. It's linked down below in the description if you want to check it out. This arm represents the sweet spot between capacity, adjustability, build quality and additional features, and it makes it perfect for any type of setup. Huanio has been refining their monitor arm designs, and the Nitro Glide shows their experience, showing off and supporting dual monitors from 13 to 40 inches, including flat and curved screens. It accommodates most home, office and gaming setups. Now each arm safely holds monitors weighing up to 26.4 pounds, ensuring secure mounting for larger displays. At the heart of this design is the solid aviation-grade aluminum arms and reinforced large base for improved stability, even with ultra-wide monitors. The dual C-clamp design firmly secures the stand to your desk for maximum stability, while the NitroGlade dual technology provides smooth, precise and effortless monitor adjustments. And what really impressed me about this arm is the height adjustability up to 21.1 inches, allowing ergonomic positioning for users of any height. The arm extension up to 25.59 inches provides flexibility for deeper or larger desks, while full motion adjustment includes swivel from -90 degrees to +90 degrees, tilt from -30 degrees to +85 degrees, and 360-degree rotation for portrait or landscape viewing. The versatility continues with support for both C-clamp and grommet mounting for desk thicknesses up to 3.54 inches. The built-in dual USB ports with a 5.25-foot USB cable, allowing convenient charging of phones, tablets and other devices right at your workspace, which is great and super handy, right? The integrated cable management system keeps wires organized, out of sight, and your workspace clutter-free. By freeing up desk space through elevated monitors, you can easily place laptops, notebooks, and accessories underneath it. The cable management system and USB ports help maintain a clean and functional desk layout. Now, several users find the installation straightforward, with clear instructions and versatile mounting options, making it accessible even for those who aren't particularly tech savvy. So there you have it, the 5 best dual monitor arms from Amazon for 2025. Now that's whether you're a budget conscious user who needs solid performance without breaking the bank, or someone with ultra wide monitors requiring premium materials and extended reach, a professional prioritizing ergonomic comfort with gas spring adjustments, or even a power user with heavy displays needing industrial grade support. Or you could be someone who wants the perfect all-round option with premium features and smooth adjustability. There's something on this list for you all. I hope this list helped you choose the best dual monitor arm for your setup, and if you find something you like, don't forget to check out the description to find the links of all the dual monitor arms mentioned in this video. And also, don't forget to watch this video next for more tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!